gadgets you won't believe you can buy. Number 8. MeTool the Bullet Ant 2.0. Metal multi-tool pen called the MeTool Bullet Ant 2.0 has a bolt action and was made to be the biggest and most portable screwdriver available. It's easy to take around in your pocket because it's about the size of a pen and is made of GR5 titanium. There's an Eterna refill pen head in the package, which lets you write smoothly on any surface. There are two sides of the Bullet Ant 2.0, so you can use it as a pen, a knife, a window breaker, a box opener, and many other things. It's made with a grip that keeps you from slipping. Crash tests at 100 kilometers per hour were done on the MeTool Bullet Ant 2.0, which makes it the safest tool available. The gadget is good for the environment and has a solar power system that's easy to set up and keep up. Number 7. Jackson Safety Rebel ADF Welding Mask. It's a truck-mounted attenuator TMA that protects against full-width impacts. The Jackson Safety Rebel ADF Welding Mask is both light and flexible. Its innovative curved aluminum tube frames and energy-absorbing modules move the hitting car away from the coffin corner to do this. In order to make the mask, the latest improvements in True Color technology were used. This makes it possible to see clearly over the welding area. The mask works with prescription glasses and Jackson Safety hard hats. It also has a unique wraparound face shield that provides extra safety that you can't get anywhere else. With its ability to fit under most hard hats without the need for adapter pieces, the Rebel ADF welding mask is made to make welding less stressful on the neck. In addition to being easy to use, the mask has a digital ADF control system that makes it simple to change the amount of shading. Battery replacement is possible and the cells can be used for up to 1,300 hours. The CE seal of the Jackson Safety Rebel ADF welding mask means that it meets or beats the requirements set by ANSI Z87.1, CAN CSA Z94.3, and other groups. You can buy the mask in a single piece that protects against sparks, dust, and UV and infrared radiation. Making the hood out of a flame-resistant cloth that works really well is how they make sure it'll last a long time. Number 6. Hyper Whistle. It's meant to be the biggest whistle in the world, and the Hyper Whistle is a whistle that can be worn around the neck. The U.S. Navy asked for a louder whistle that flight launch workers on the decks of U.S. aircraft carriers could use. The noise level around these decks is raised to more than 125 decibels because they're near jets that are not working. There are more than 5,200 reviews on Amazon that say the Hyper Whistle is the best, most reliable, and loudest emergency and outdoor whistle on the market. It can be used anywhere outside, and it can even be used while buried in water. In addition to being built to last, the whistle's made of the best materials available. People can buy it from the Hyper Whistle website, which is open for business. Number 5. Hodo Tools Flashlight Power. The Hodo Tools Flashlight Power is one of the brightest and most useful flashlights on the market. It can be used for many different tasks. With 1,000 lumens of power, the flashlight has a beam that can reach 240 meters away. There are 3 levels of brightness: high, medium, and low. The brightness can be changed to fit different lighting needs. The flashlight is built to last, and it comes with a lithium battery that can power it for up to 90 hours at a time. The flashlight can be used for many things, and it has many features such as emergency flashing, SOS, and warning lights, the ability to turn on the main light with one click in an emergency, and side lights that can flash red or become fog lights. For added safety, the flashlight comes with both a safety belt clip and a window breaking tool that can be used in an emergency. Not only is the Hodo Tools Flashlight Power easy to use, but it also has a computerized ADF control system that makes it simple to change the amount of light. With an IP54 rating, the flashlight is also waterproof, so it can handle normal drops that happen. Number 4. Nitecore EDC27 Flashlight. The Nitecore EDC27 flashlight is a high-performance flashlight that's constructed to provide excellent performance. Its design is very thin and compact. It has 2 luminous SST40 LEDs and a fully mirrored optic lens for even soft light. It can throw light up to 220 meters and has a maximum output of 3,000 lumens. Every single one of these parts adds to the general lighting. The flashlight has a lithium-ion battery that can hold up to 1,700 mAh of power and can be charged via USB-C. It was made so the Nitecore EDC27 can be used in any outdoor setting, and it can also be used underwater. There's also a digital monitor panel on the flashlight, and it's easy to use and resistant to impact. The Nitecore EDC27 also has a grip that's made to keep it from slipping. In addition to being good for the environment, the flashlight has a solar power system that's easy to set up and keep up. Number 3. 5 ATM Watch. Water pressure equal to 50 meters of static water is not enough to damage a watch that has a grade of 5 ATM. Wearing it while swimming, taking a shower, or even when it's raining is fine, but you shouldn't do any kind of water sports while having these things done. The amount of pressure that a device can handle is called atmospheres, and ATM stands for pressure. The watch has a grade of 5 ATM, which means that 1 atmosphere of pressure is added for every 10 meters of depth. It's important to remember that just because a watch has 5 ATM grade doesn't mean it can stay submerged in water up to 50 meters deep. The watch can handle being wet, which happens during normal daily life, without any problems. Number 2. Core 2.0 Elite Fitness Tracker. The Core 2.0 Elite Fitness Tracker is both a wristwatch and a fitness tracker. Its goal is to improve your health and happiness as a whole. The marketing for the product says it's an effective, cost-effective, and long-lasting fitness tracker that can help you keep track of your steps, calories, and heart rate. The fitness software that comes with the Core 2.0 Elite makes it easy for people to understand their vital signs and get accurate readings. Furthermore, the built-in sensors have been improved, allowing users to receive alerts and tips about heart issues. It's easy to carry around in your pocket because the Core 2.0 Elite is made to be very thin and small. The watch has Bluetooth version 5.0 built in, and it works with phones that have either iPhone or Android software. This means that the Core 2.0 Elite can handle being submerged in water up to 1 meter deep for up to 30 minutes. Its waterproof rating is IP67. The watch also has a grip that keeps it from moving around. There is now the Core 2.0 Elite on Amazon that you can buy. Number 1. Shirek Halograph 2 Automatic Rosewood. A few hundred of the Shirek Halograph 2 Automatic Rosewood watches have been made, and each one has a unique and cutting-edge signature design. The watch also has halo hands that float above the curves that show the time. The minutes are shown on the outside arcs, and the hours are shown on the inside arcs. With the 2 halo hands, it's pretty easy to tell what time it is. In a way similar to a retrograde show, a new halo appears on the other side of the existing halo as it gets closer to the end of its path. The Miyota 82S7 self-winding mechanical movement, which has 21 joules, 21,600 beats per hour, and a power reserve of 42 hours, powers the watch. Because the balance wheel is out in the open, you can see the mechanical motor that keeps track of time. The automated rotor on the back of the watch winds it, and it's driven by your movement. This means the watch will always stay wound even when you're wearing it, so you don't have to worry about changing the batteries. When the watch is finished by hand, it's made of 316L stainless steel. The crown ring is made of anodized aluminum. Sapphire glass, which is what the gem is made of, is very hard to scratch. The width of the case is 46 millimeters, and the face is rose gold. A high-performance flame-resistant cloth is used to make the watch's hood, which adds to the watch's sturdiness and longevity. The straps are made from the best full-grain leather, which comes from Horween, one of the oldest tanneries in the US that's still in business. Thanks for watching this video.